Okay guys, so today we're going to be answering questions that we've got from you, the traders, with the experts here. So, first off, you're up, David. Questions come in. Why is it in HyroTrader that we're required to have a stop loss?
Well, because the stop loss is a very important part of the trading, and I think every professional trader should use it. And when I see some prop firms not encouraging day traders to use the stop loss, I think it's a mistake. It should be used, and you should be using it on your personal account too.
What do I do when I fail a trading challenge?
Okay, I think firstly you need to reflect on your trading mistake, then work on that mistake, and then apply for a trading challenge again. I think that's the solution.
Next question. Can I pass the trading challenge with only one try?
No, it's not possible. Non-prop firm will give you a challenge by just seeing you trade one trade. And if there is any prop firm allowing this, that's probably the scam and they just want your money, right? If they let you to pass with one trade, they will probably not give you a payout. And they will use it in the future as excuses not to pay you.
It's a good answer. It's a good answer. Is there any update for spot accounts?
Yeah, we are working on it. We will do pre-launch soon with few limited number of traders, and after we will gain feedback from them, we will launch it officially for the rest of them.
Can we have multiple challenge accounts at one time?
Yes, actually in HydroTrader you can run multiple challenges at the same time, unless it doesn't exceed 200k at the time.
Okay.
Right?
What do you think about your competitor prop trading firms?
Yeah, I know about few firms who are doing funding for crypto traders, but I don't consider them as competitors because their product work differently than ours. Our traders trade on Bybit, they can trade 500 and more pairs on USDT futures, and our competitors use white label CFD platforms with focus mostly on beginners. We have our own audience, which are serious crypto traders, and I don't care about competitors. I focus on HyroTrader, so we can grow, our traders can grow, and it's win-win for us and traders.
It's a place for serious trading.
Yeah,
Good.
definitely.
Good. Okay, so the next question. A lot of people might actually ask this because maybe not everybody's clear on it, so we'll get the clarification now. Are there any restrictions on trading strategies like scalping or arbitrage?
Well, there is actually not the restrictions. Scalping is allowed, but every high-risk strategies, approaches like Martingale is not allowed, right? Hedging between the accounts, where you're hedging between two challenges or the two funded accounts, is also not allowed because that's obviously trying to go across the system, right? And the arbitrage is of course not allowed. So if you basically trade a normal trading approach, you should be okay.
As a CEO of HyroTrader, can you tell us what sets you apart?
I think mostly the trading platform. As I said, our traders trade directly on a Bybit account. They can use their own accounts. They can trade 500 and more pairs. That's the first one. And the second one, I think that our traders can trade also with real capital. After receiving 3 to 5 payouts, they can get funded account with real money. So when they profit, we also profit. And the third one, I think, is that we are the real team with real offices here in Prague. And that's very important because we are not any offshore company. We are based here. We are also working on a setup company in Dubai, so I think that's a very important thing that our traders, our funded traders can come here to talk with us, to see us, that we are real persons, and yeah, I think that's the three most important things what set us apart of competitors.
Building trust as well, which is very important. Good answer. What happens if I exceed the maximum drawdown?
Oh, well, unfortunately, if you exceed your maximum drawdown, you will basically fail your trading account, right? Whether it is a challenge, verification, or the funded account, this is not allowed and you need to apply again.
So, Sammy, you talk a lot about Bybit and that exchange. Do you plan to integrate any more exchanges as well?
Yeah, actually we are working on 2 new implementations. One will be platform for professional traders with backtesting features. And the second one will be one of the biggest crypto exchanges on the world. I can't disclose which one it's specifically, but when I will have more information, I will share with the community.
One of our traders is asking, what happens if I breach the account rules?
Yeah, it depends on what kind of the breach it is. If you forgot to set up a stop loss in the 5 minutes, you will receive an email and you have another 1 hour to set it up. So it is a soft breach, right? Okay. But if you exceed a drawdown, you basically fail the challenge. So you need to apply again.
Okay. So be careful out there. Do you offer MetaTrader, MT4, MT5 as an alternative platform?
No, we don't offer that. I don't think crypto traders should trade there. MetaTrader works as a CFD platform, and I think every professional or retail crypto trader should use platform as a Binance, Bybit, Bitget, OKX, or any other platform focused on crypto trading and not trading CFDs on MetaTrader. So if you are a trader and trading crypto on MetaTrader, you are probably not a crypto trader but a forex trader.
Okay, next question for David. Are there penalties for holding trades overnight or over the weekend?
No, obviously there's no any penalties because crypto market is open over the weekend, so there is not swap fees, nothing like that. You can hold it how long you want to.
Yeah, just as long as you've got your stop losses in place, risk calculation, everything like that.
Yeah, of course. Unless your risk is under control, then our money are safe also, so then it's all right.
So now we have a question for Sam, and it's probably a question that everybody asks. How long does it take to process trader payouts?
Okay, so HyroTrader offer one of the fastest payouts in the industry, and we process payout after first day on funded account, and traders can request the payout from 12 to 24 hours. So it's very fast, it's almost automatic. They will request via user account and we will approve that, and sometimes it's approved automatically, but most of the time we need to check it manually, and then they will get payout in 12 to 24 hours.
Okay, so that concludes the questions from the traders. Obviously, if you have any more, drop them in the comments below, or join our Discord community where you have many people who will help you out, other traders, customer service team as well. They're always there to help. So ask away in there and join anyway. It's fun. Yeah, you learn a lot in there. You never miss a video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next one.